The Mac versus Windows debate rages on. Today I will be discussing these two operating systems and their flaws, strengths, and why they both have a long way to go. I will also be touching on the Linux operating system as a third party. This is a non-biased opinion, simply a structured review. Feel free to comment on this topic and express your views. I will begin with the Windows operating system, then I will talk about the Mac operating system. After I have reviewed both these systems, I will compare them and finish up the debate by reviewing the Linux operating system, starting with Windows Vista. I have found Windows Vista to be a relative smooth experience, and the negative feedback to be rare incidents brought by abusive behavior towards the system. That's not to say Vista's without its flaws. The driver issues on the Vista system are noticeable, but can be overcome. Another large issue with the system is its security features and administrators' privileges, which are flawed and don't make practical sense. Vista defaults the user no longer as administrator for security reasons, yet this seemingly just gets in the way. I am sure that there are incidents when Vista crashes due to its own lack of driver support etc., which is the main source of frustration with most Windows systems. But overall the system provides an easy and usable development platform that can get work done. The new Office package did not meet expectations, yet it has a simplistic tool interface that seemed to be the major source of frustration, as the placings of tools have been mixed up or replaced with ineffective icons, yet it does still get the job done. All in all, the Vista operating system is a good development platform and has the obvious strength of compatibility with applications and market size. On the other side of the spectrum, or so they would have you think, you have the Mac OS X Leopard operating system, the new release from Apple. It has some nice new features but also some unattractive flaws. The Mac system runs on a Unix kernel, which I applaud, as it is known for providing a stable system. Yet the main flaw with Mac is its lack of market share, compatibility, and overhype. Another major flaw of the system is its ignorance and stubborn ways, allowing the system only to be used on Mac machines, and all components must largely be Mac-based, including the software. Though we have seen a change with Parallels and Dual Boot, it's just showing that Mac must lean still on Windows for assistance. Mac's idea of conventional thinking is now largely untrue, as it recently stole the idea of sessions from the known platform for Linux. Yet Mac is non-conventional in many ways, and its system provides a relatively stable operating system that seems to just work. The recent crashes on install of Mac is disturbing, but it's no big deal compared to Windows. The new features in Mac are well planned and have a feeling of flow with the rest of the system. All in all, Mac provides a stable system that seems to work for the user as long as you're using Mac software. Comparing the systems, I would have to say Windows is a more constructive, compatible platform, yet Mac is a more stable, user-friendly platform, and it is really personal preference. The major flaw with Windows is its kernel, and Mac's major flaw is its compatibility. So in conclusion, I would have to say neither operating system is better. Each have their flaws to overcome. In the end, they are both commercial systems and don't support open source products, which is a big minus. The Linux operating system is open source, an innovative platform which provides a stable development environment. Linux has a while to come in terms of general usability, but overall it provides the most stable, comprehensive operating system to date. My advice would be to try the systems and decide for yourself. Why not download a Linux Live CD and test it out, then choose whether to install it or not? Linux is about freedom, so make up your choice on where you stand in the debate. I prefer open source. The question is, do you?
Code Monkey, get up, get coffee. Code Monkey, go to job. Code Monkey, have boring meeting with boring manager Rob. Rob say Code Monkey very diligent, but his output stink. His code not functional or elegant. What do Code Monkey think? Code Monkey